Hey everyone, welcome back to Swift Intent's Daily Updates. This is update number 8. In this video series, we walk you through building a $100 million a year business in public, sharing everything we learn along the way. I'm Connor, and let's get into today's update. I want to talk about building a mobile app to 100K MRR, touch quickly on the foundation models, and talk about the journal app that I'm going to be using to showcase the power of the foundation models in a video later this week. Starting with building a mobile app to 100K MRR, Greg Eisenberg released a video today talking about how to do this. He released the exact roadmap that you should follow in order to build a mobile app to 100K MRR. And you might be thinking, well, isn't that what you're doing inside your paid community? It's exactly what we're doing inside our paid community. And so then you might be thinking, well, why would I join instead of just watch this video? You absolutely should watch this video and check this out. The purpose of the community is to help you get there, where Steven and I can be there answering your questions as we are doing this ourselves as well. And our goal is to help you follow along this roadmap and this playbook to be able to build this app. And now it's way easier said than done, obviously. And for that reason, we have our community app launch club where we're going to be applying this advice directly along with over our combined 15 years of iOS development experience to refine a roadmap and success kit to get your app from idea to launch and eventually to $100,000 a month. So I'm very excited about this. This is a great video. You should absolutely go and check it out. And when you get stuck on this roadmap, check out our community. We are absolutely there to help. I put this tweet out saying if you're building an app or you want to build an app, you need to watch this video. And then when you're done, you should check out our community where we're going to help you with this. And Greg himself even liked that tweet, which I think is pretty cool, especially at our current scale. So it's absolutely what we're trying to do with App Launch Club, and what we want to help you do is take you along the journey as Steven and I do all the trial and error, and then we kind of refine that process down and help you, achieve this exact mission. Next, on foundation models, really the point ties in directly with the journal app that I have been building in order to showcase the foundation models in kind of all their glory. So this is an app that I have put together with Claude Code. It's a little rough around the edges at the moment, but I've only spent a few hours here. And so this app is very simple. You are going to go and you can create a journal entry. You're going to log your mood and you can get some inspiration about what to journal about. And then the best part of my day was recording this video. You can save that and then you'll have a little bit journal in just right there on your phone. You can change the theme, change the font size, all these things, which I am pretty impressed with the work that mostly Claude did. Building this app, I just wanted a sample app so that I can integrate the foundation models into this app and then walk you through how to use them. That's going to be coming later this week. Just want to showcase this because I thought it was pretty exciting. I had Claude do some creative work here, so that's where these animations in the background and kind of themes are coming from. I just thought were a lot of fun. That's it for today's update. There'll be more on the foundation models later this week, more on building a mobile app to 100K MRR inside our community app launch club. Stay tuned for all of that. And now let's get into today's brand stats. So follower count for today, let's see, we are 851 still. Steven, 784, he went down. And then our YouTube is consistent at 4 subscribers. It was 4 yesterday as well. Yep. So this is what I think is really interesting about this growth, because we are in our early stages when it comes to kind of the performance of, your account just in these early stages. Like, for example, here's my impressions to post graph. Had some posts that did really well, later in the week last week. The stats are consistently going up, which is nice to see. It's a good indication of growth. My posting has been a little bit less over the past couple days, but I've got more content coming this week. And so I just think it's really interesting to see that, I do feel like the consistency is paying off. If we look at 3 months and how much of a difference that has made, I mean, it is a little bit skewed with the few posts that we had do really well on Wednesday, but it is cool to see consistency pay off over time, and just kind of really it builds the motivation that this is eventually going to get better and better. So that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for more about the foundation models this week and more about App Launch Club as we continue to build that out. We'll see you in the next one.